Hello and welcome to my channel. This is your ideal protein hair mask that you can use once a month to keep your hair healthy and stronger. This is a type of mask I would recommend everyone to do, especially if you have frail hair and are having hair loss. So all you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of apple vinegar, 1 capsule of vitamin E, and 1 tablespoon of conditioner. Mix all this together and then it's time to apply it. So to apply this mask, wash your hair with the shampoo and towel dry your hair gently so the mask can get more absorbed by your hair. After that, apply this mask from the middle to the ends of your hair, avoiding the roots, and use a shower cap for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, wash it and style your hair the way you like. This hair mask will help hydrate and control frizz because it has a lot of protein thanks to the yogurt, antioxidants due to the honey, and the apple cider vinegar will help close the cuticle and keep the treatment in for longer. This is the result after a few weeks of making hair remedies at least once a week. And it doesn't have to be difficult, expensive, or take a long time to achieve a healthy hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some dye.